Hello, fellow chemistry people. This is TBN again. This is a continuation of my first video of how to calculate moles and grams of a compound. So, this is my second example. The problem is given 78.9 grams of sodium perchlorate. Calculate the number of moles of this substance. So, the way to do this is definitely know what sodium perchlorate is. So I'll break that down. So sodium is written as Na with a 1 plus charge, and then perchlorate is Cl, so chlorine, ClO over oxygen, O4, with a 1 minus charge. So when you put these two together into a compound as sodium perchlorate, it's just NaClO4. Now that is your compound, so once you know what the compound is you are dealing with, you are given 78.9 grams of this, and you're trying to calculate the number of moles. First you have to know how many grams, so how many grams of NaClO4 is in 1 mole. So let's try to find out the amount of grams of this compound. So you have sodium, and if you look at your periodic table, since you only have one sodium in this compound, you have 22.99 grams of sodium. And then you also have chlorine. So you only have one chlorine, so it's 35 point 45 grams. And then you have 4 oxygens. So for oxygen, you do 4 times the amount of AMU listed on the periodic table, so that would be 16 grams. Which would be in total 64 grams of oxygen in this compound. So what you have to do is add all these values together. So when you add those 3 values together of sodium, chlorine, and oxygen, you should get a total of 122.44 grams per mole of sodium perchlorate. So there you go. This is the number you use to convert to get your number of moles. So first let's start off by what you're given. So you have 78.9 grams. And then you multiply that. So in order, you have to cancel out the units here. So you have to put the 122.44 grams in the bottom. So 122.44 grams. That's grams, sorry, bad handwriting. And 1 mole of the NaClO4. Okay, so here you can see that grams cancel out, and you're left with moles of sodium perchlorate. So what you should get for this answer is, and also note sig figs. So I'm only going to have 3 significant figures in my answer. So you should get 0.644 moles of sodium perchlorate. Okay, so that is my second example. Hope you learned something. If you have any questions or concerns, you can email me or comment the video. So peace out, fellow chem nerds. Toodles.